Flex offers a comprehensive range of professional-grade power tools designed for both contractors and home enthusiasts. Whether you're tackling demanding construction projects or home repairs, this collection delivers the performance, portability, and durability you need. Let's explore what's available. For automotive detailing, restoration work, and small-scale finishing applications, the Flex PXE80 represents an outstanding professional-grade solution. Operating at 12 volts with efficient brushless motor technology, this mini polisher offers seamless switching between rotary and orbital modes within just seconds of operation. The compact and lightweight design makes it particularly suitable for spot repairs and accessing confined areas where full-size polishing equipment proves impractical and difficult to maneuver, such as door handle surrounds, mirror areas, and other tight spaces. Its lightweight construction provides significantly enhanced control, handling precision, and maneuverability during detailed work. Its brushless motor operates with minimal noise output while consuming reduced electrical power compared to conventional designs. Versatile speed adjustment capabilities facilitate achieving precisely desired surface finishes and polish levels. The unit performs equally well for spot sanding applications, addressing minor surface irregularities and paint imperfections. This innovative tool delivers truly professional detailing results through an accessible, user-friendly, and handheld platform that doesn't require specialized training to operate effectively. The MT18.0 EC represents arguably the most adaptable and versatile instrument currently available in the contemporary power tool marketplace. This multi-tool addresses nearly every cutting, sanding, and scraping requirement that might arise during renovation or repair work. Utilizing the innovative StarLock Max Quick Change system, users can interchange different blade types and sanding attachments instantaneously without requiring any auxiliary tools or complicated procedures. This demonstrates remarkable versatility by handling wood cutting, metal sawing, and grout removal tasks with equal proficiency and effectiveness. A substantial 2-degree oscillation angle on both sides significantly enhances cutting speed and surface quality relative to competing products available in the market. The comprehensive anti-vibration engineering features substantially reduce hand fatigue and user weariness during prolonged DIY applications in extended working sessions. Speed selection mechanisms accommodate various operational requirements, with capabilities reaching approximately 20,000 revolutions per minute for efficient material removal. Bright dual LED illumination systems enable clear visibility in shadowed corners, underneath cabinetry, and in other challenging lighting conditions. This remarkably versatile tool successfully addresses the miscellaneous and unexpected tasks that typically arise during renovation projects and home improvement work. The Flex DGE25 emerges as an indispensable solution specifically engineered for detail-oriented grinding, polishing, and finishing applications in confined spaces and tight working environments. This tool addresses a genuine need for users who have struggled to reach difficult-to-access areas requiring precision grinding or professional polishing work. Equipped with a robust 18-volt motor system and compatible with both 2.5 and 5.0 amp-hour battery configurations, this grinder provides extended usage duration without experiencing rapid battery depletion during critical work sessions. The sophisticated 4-speed capability mechanism allows operators to select from a range ranging from 10,000 to 25,000 revolutions per minute, enabling precise speed selection appropriate to their specific project requirements and material types. Quick stop functionality enables immediate power cessation, providing safety and convenience during operations. The 125mm backing pad accommodates electronic speed adjustment settings that can be tailored specifically to different material compositions and surface requirements. Remarkably lightweight at just 1.5 kilograms, the tool effectively minimizes user fatigue and arm weariness during extended working sessions. The standard 6mm collet system accepts optional 8mm and 1/4 inch alternatives, providing versatile attachment compatibility for different grinding applications. Once users experience the capabilities and convenience this tool provides in their projects, they typically regard it as an essential workshop addition. The RX-AS25 delivers substantial and impressive power, specifically engineered for heavy-duty demolition operations and serious cutting applications. This powerful 18V reciprocating saw features a 25mm stroke capacity and achieves up to 3,000 revolutions per minute, enabling rapid and efficient penetration through demanding wood and metal materials. The exceptional balance engineering minimizes vibration during thick beam and pipe cutting operations, protecting operator hands and joints from repetitive stress. Dual LED lighting systems provide superior brightness for attic and crawl space operations, where visibility presents significant challenges. This powerful saw includes comprehensive vibration reduction technology, making it comfortable to use for extended periods without causing hand strain or fatigue. Whether you're pruning dense vegetation, tearing down wooden structures, or dismantling old construction materials, this reciprocating saw provides the necessary cutting capacity and power for rapid completion of demanding projects. Professional contractors and serious DIY enthusiasts alike appreciate the reliability and performance this tool delivers on challenging job sites. The Flex SMS 190 serves as a dependable shop staple for precise cross-cutting applications. This 18-volt cordless model demonstrates surprising power despite its compact profile. It addresses framing, trim installation, and flooring requirements through precision cutting. An integrated laser projection precisely indicates blade contact points, eliminating guesswork. The 190mm blade manages miter and bevel adjustments, reaching 48 degrees in both directions. A motor brake stops blade rotation within 3 seconds. This tool maintains sufficient power for extended wood processing without cords. The Flex FX4351B represents an excellent solution for addressing demanding framing applications and fastening operations without requiring any hose infrastructure or air compressor equipment. This cordless nailer addresses a genuine need in the market for professionals who value mobility and flexibility on job sites. A powerful brushless motor delivers consistent, reliable, and powerful performance, driving 3 nails per second with instantaneous response and no acceleration delay. The innovative power adjustment dial setting permits precise control of nail depth across varying material types and thickness levels. Dual LED work lights illuminate recessed areas and difficult-to-see locations for precise placement verification and accuracy. A substantial 5.0 amp-hour battery drives up to 1,100 nails per complete charge, with advanced Thermatech temperature management technology extending runtime by an impressive 25% compared to standard equipment. The intelligent dry fire lockout system prevents unintended fastening, protecting work surfaces and ensuring that every single fastener counts toward project progress. This complete kit provides everything needed to begin framing work immediately, with professional-level results that rival pneumatic nailers without the complications of air supply systems. This tool makes framing work faster, cleaner, and significantly more convenient than traditional methods. The Flex XCE 1850 offers an impressive 18-volt solution specifically engineered for serious and demanding automotive paint restoration work. This advanced polisher incorporates innovative forced rotation technology, which essentially means the polishing pad maintains continuous rotation regardless of the pressure you apply to the surface. This intelligent feature significantly improves overall effectiveness in removing stubborn scratches and swirl marks compared to conventional dual-action polishing equipment available on the market. The generous 150mm pad diameter enables rapid coverage of work surfaces, allowing you to complete more area in less time. The brushless motor design delivers corded equivalent power and performance without the annoying cable management complications that plague traditional corded equipment. The tool's exceptionally balanced construction and soft grip handles provide maximum support and comfort during extended use sessions, without causing hand fatigue or strain. The brushless motor runs efficiently while delivering impressive power output, comparable to much heavier equipment. Professional quality mirror finishes and showroom-level shine become consistently achievable through this advanced platform, making it ideal for serious car enthusiasts and professional detail shops.
The Flex FX3 321 represents a gear-driven cordless solution for professional detailing applications. Constant speed technology maintains consistent RPM delivery, while optimized gear design minimizes operational noise. Vibration management reduces operator fatigue during extended sessions, whereas the 11-speed dial and variable trigger provide comprehensive surface control. Users can progress from swirl mark elimination to final gloss application. Lightweight construction and ergonomic grip ensure sustained comfort throughout working sessions.
The Flex JS SB 18.0 addresses applications requiring finesse and precision. Variable speed selection matches cutting speed to material type, with automatic startup providing smooth engagement. A dual roller guide prevents blade deviation, ensuring straight cuts and precisely controlled curves. Tool-free blade replacement includes automatic ejection, eliminating contact with hot blades. Integrated dust extraction directs debris away from cut lines during operations. The Flex FX FY7141A streamlines cross-cutting through dual bevel capability in rapid adjustment. A patented fast shift bevel lever facilitates angle modifications easily. The quick miter lock ensures precise positioning. An adjustable depth stop provides flexibility for detailed cuts. A 10.0 amp-hour battery provides extended runtime, completing approximately 630 crosscuts on 3x4-inch MDF per charge. The GCS35 functions as a powerful cutting solution for demanding outdoor work. This model combines two 18-volt batteries, generating 36-volt output that rivals gasoline-powered equipment. Unlike petrol alternatives, it produces no emissions, minimal noise, and eliminates fuel mixing requirements. The 14-inch bar sections logs up to 30 centimeters in diameter efficiently. Tool-free chain tensioning and automatic lubrication maximize cutting time while minimizing maintenance. An IPX4 weather rating provides confidence during light precipitation. This chainsaw suits brush clearing, tree pruning, and firewood preparation with powerful, secure operation. The Flex FX1671 delivers powerful performance in tight framing and stud drilling environments. Its compact profile enables maneuvering where full-size drills prove impossible, while 1,680 foot-pounds of torque provides exceptional material penetration. Turbo mode instantly increases speed when additional power is required. An anti-kickback braking system maintains stability under sustained load. A magnesium gearbox provides durable, lightweight construction. A rubber-covered top handle supports extended use comfort, while a rafter hook offers convenient storage. The FX4521 performs reliably on demanding stapling tasks, including wrap installation, carpet fitting, and trim attachment. Its high-speed motor executes 3 staples per second without acceleration delay, supporting efficient workflow. Power adjustment dial ensures consistent stapling depth regardless of material type. A 2.5 amp-hour battery delivers up to 5,000 staples per charge with sustained performance. The Flex FX1431A combines powerful output with compact dimensions, making it suitable for confined space applications requiring control and accuracy. This tool generates 450 foot-pounds of fastener loosening torque for addressing bolts, nuts, and framing fasteners. Auto control and screw modes enable precise operation. The Flex LBE76 represents a compact yet powerful 12-volt angle grinding solution. Its 76mm disc reaches 20,000 revolutions per minute, efficiently processing metal, tile, and plastic materials. A 180-degree rotatable head accommodates both right-handed and left-handed users. Comprehensive safety features include soft start, restart protection, and electronic braking that halts disc rotation in approximately 1.5 seconds.
pocket-sized dimensions make this tool suitable for emergency applications on any job site or workshop. The Flex FX3211 delivers precision, convenience, and secure handling. Its streamlined ergonomic form supports steady manipulation and reduces user fatigue during extended sessions for metal finishing, polishing, and edge removal. Adjustable touch control speed settings reach 28,000 revolutions per minute. Anti-kickback braking enhances operational safety. Spindle lock enables rapid, tool-free accessory interchange to maintain workflow continuity. The Flex FX5361 audio system combines premium sound quality with job site durability. Dual full-range speakers and a 5.25-inch subwoofer deliver crisp, spacious audio, maintaining operator focus through extended work periods. Traditional radio broadcasting and wireless streaming capabilities coexist, with Bluetooth connectivity supporting up to 150-foot transmission range. 2 units can link together, creating enhanced audio experiences. An IP64 durability rating manages wet and dusty conditions reliably. This collection covers the essential Flex tools for any project, from small household repairs to major professional work. For more details on any tool or to purchase, check the comments section below. Subscribe for future updates, reviews, and tool announcements. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your projects.